and welcome to EBC Learning's course on creation of wills by Milind Kumar, a dual qualified lawyer. I'm Bijitri Roy, your course instructor. This is a comprehensive course on the creation of a valid will. Every time a person purchases a property, a car, a watch, that person creates an asset. Things that you own and have a monetary value, including cash, are your personal assets. Every person during his lifetime acquires and creates such assets. Such assets can range from a business empire to personal effects such as a favorite pen. As long as a person is alive, that person can enjoy and continue to enjoy the use of the assets. So, what happens to the assets or property created by a person in his lifetime after his death? Can a person exercise control over the manner in which his property will be inherited after his death? Can a person decide as to who can have or enjoy the assets that he has created during his lifetime? The answers are yes. It is only fair that a person who acquires or creates an asset should be the first and the only one to decide as to what will happen to it after his demise. It is entirely up to him to decide who will use it, in what manner it can be used. It is entirely his decision. Thus, your favorite pen could go to your colleague or close friend. Personal car could go to your favorite nephew or niece. Such decisions are put in black and white by means of a document which we call a will. A will is therefore a document which records the intention of a person in respect of distribution of his property after his death. Writing a will is not a pleasant task. It may come as a realization that you are planning for the disposal of your estate after you are no more. And nobody wants to acknowledge death, and this is the primary reason for not making a will. In this course, we will discuss the provisions of the Indian Succession Act relating to testamentary succession, which is wills. Wills made by Muslims are governed by their personal laws and not by the Indian Succession Act. We will cover in short videos several aspects as to who can make a will, what can and cannot be included in a will, and related aspects like revocation and rectification of a will. Where there is a will, there is definitely a property. Now let's start exploring how to create a will.